What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Best of Hackingtons, episode 175. That's right, we're at 175 of these cringy videos. Let's look at the coolest projects that you guys have been building last week. But before we do that, we're just going to show you exactly how to access the virtual classroom at any location. It's all going to work the same, so just check this out. All right, so I am ready to join the virtual program as a student. I go ahead and I log into hackingtons.io, and then I'm going to hit this big green Join Google Meet button. And then it's gonna actually ask me what my name is. Now, I should enter my Hackingtons username because that makes the most sense for my teacher. So my name is Steven, then I'm gonna go ahead and ask to join the meeting.
Well, hello, Steven.
I'm in, I can see Mr. Matt.
I am your instructor today.
Awesome, I'm really excited.
Yeah, me too. We're making history today.
Yeah, we are.
So we're gonna wait for some more classmates to join us, but while we're doing that, let's go ahead and check out the showcase and see what you've been building. I sound like I'm doing the best of.
That's my job.
So what I can do is present my screen, and I'm gonna choose a window to present, and it's going to be Hackingtons.io. Here it is, Hackingtons.io. Now, I have a special new admin ability, so I can actually see who's online and I can message them to answer questions. Let's see if you're online right now in Roseville. Are you? Are you logged in? Yeah, you are. So I can check out your showcase right here. Is this your last project, Steven?
Yeah, absolutely.
An S4? All right, this looks amazing. Now this is going to be really complicated Python, isn't it?
Yeah.
You're scraping NFL stats?
Just a little bit.
This is so cool. Well, you're going to continue working on Black Belt Python today, correct?
Yes, I'm going to keep working on this project.
All right, so when I'm finished showcase and you'd like to start working on your project, go ahead and log out of this meeting, and then you can jump back in at a later time and I can help you with any questions.
Sounds good. I'll get started coding.
But also, check this out. You have a messages tab now. And you can click that messages tab and you can message me. And I will see a little notification. And either I or my helper today, mystery man back there, or mystery woman, can see your question and answer it directly from here. So I'm going to message you right now. Hi, Steven. There. And when you respond to me, I'll get a notification. So anytime during this lesson that you have a question and you need some help, you can post a link or anything to me and I'll see it. So you can message us during the class. You can also join back into this meeting and we can answer questions. So go ahead and log out, watch your lesson video, work on your code, and if you have questions, come on back in.
All right. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start working on my code here. So I'm gonna go to my showcase and click on the project that I'm working on, which is Ethan S4 here. And I'm gonna do some coding. Uh-oh, I have a problem. Okay, I don't know how to solve this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a message in my messaging system and then go ahead and join the Google Meet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy my link here to my project, Command-C, and then I'm gonna go to my messages tab and I'm gonna go ahead and submit a question here. So I submitted a link. I submitted a link and now they'll be able to find my project easier. And then I'm gonna come back to the Google Meet and I'm gonna hit rejoin. And then I'm just gonna type in my name again. And now I can ask to join.
Hi, Steven.
Hi, so I was working on my Python project and I have a question.
You know what? I'm actually helping Donald Trump with a question for right this second. So let me mute you for just a second, if that's okay, and then I'll be back to answer your question. Just give me a moment. All right, Donald Trump. So what you need to do to solve this coronavirus thing is you need to put Hackingtons on everyone's computer right now. Good? We're good. Steven, I'm ready for your question now. Go ahead and unmute yourself so I can hear you.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Oh, thank you for being patient. All right, so what is your question?
So I'm working on that Python project, the fantasy football project, and it's giving me an error on line 37, and I don't know what it means.
All right, so I actually have your project open here. So go ahead and share your screen and let me see what's going on.
Okay, so now in the right-hand corner here, I hit Present Now, and I'm going to present a window. And then I get to pick which window I'm going to present. I'm going to present my Replit project right here. I'm going to share that with Matt. So now everybody that's on this call can see my code here because I'm presenting it.
All right, so it looks like you have an issue on line 37. So let's work on this together and see if we can solve it.
Okay, so line 37 looks fine to me. Maybe it's up above it?
Looks like you're missing a parenthesis.
Oh, yeah, I can do that. Hey, now the error went away. Awesome, it works, thank you.
Are those stats from football?
Yeah, they're all of the quarterbacks that are playing in the NFL right now.
Awesome. Well, keep working on your project and make sure you post at the end of class and check in with me. I will see you soon.
All right. So now I'm going to go ahead and hit stop presenting, and then I've had my question answered, so I'm going to leave the call. And that's it. All right, now that that's over, let's actually look at the coolest things you guys have been building. First up, we have Colton B's incredible history of gaming / Star Wars. He couldn't pick one topic, he had to do both, and both are epic. But the coolest thing about this, let me zoom in so you guys get the full view of this. Check this out. Whoa, it changes colors as we hover over. That is so cool, Colton. I love that. I don't even want to look at the rest of this website. I just want to hover over these links all day long. Colton, this is incredible, but the amount of work you put into each page is amazing. I would say change one thing, get this nav bar up at the top. Once that's done, you're good to go. Awesome job, Colton. Next up, we have Maurice W's incredible Galaxy Fox game. So the background music, awesome job on that, Maurice. Let's go ahead and start the game here. Whoa. Okay, so I have to avoid the clouds. This is incredible. Maurice, this is amazing. Oh man, I'm terrible. Whoa, the pixel art is beautiful. The fact that the clouds move and have their own paths is incredible. The fact that I can't get past level 1, I think is par for the course for me, right? But Maurice, this game is amazing. I am absolutely blown away that this is not on the App Store selling for millions of dollars. Awesome job, Maurice. All right, and now we have Alyssa R's incredible, nearly finished Pirate Scourge game, which I am terrible at. I am just getting pwned by these. Can I equip? There we go. I got my gun out. Okay. Can I kill any of these skeletons? I'm so slow and I'm so bad at games. What am I gonna do? But this is awesome. There's actually multiple. I'm too close to the skeletons. Gotta run away. There's actually multiple islands in this game that I can get to, and the skeletons on each level don't actually start attacking you until you're at their island, which is awesome. Look at all this loot I'm dropping. Look at all this loot. I'm gonna go get some loot. I gotta get the loot. Run away I'm almost dead. I'm at half health already. Alyssa, this is awesome. I am super impressed by your islands here. And well, I've been playing this game for most of the night last night. Oh, nice reload animation. And I still haven't gotten past the third island. I just don't know what to do on that island, Alyssa. It's so cool. Awesome job. And that's it for the best of Hackingtons. Go out there, join your classes, build amazing stuff, and look out for those extra shows we got coming on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Me, Matt, and our streamer, Jason, is all going to be doing some special shows for you, so keep your eyes tuned for those. They're going to be special call-in shows, special classes, extra classes that are going to focus on a specific part of the curriculum, like Unity or Scratch or Python or HTML. Check those out, and don't forget on Fridays, we're streaming. That's right, Jason's going to lead us stream on Fridays, so check that out as well. All right, I'm rambling. I'm too excited. Let's do this. Yeah, let's go. Yeah.